Okay, so we'll start our environment lesson. In the previous year, they have asked us some questions. A food chain is polluted aquatic ecosystem is given. Observe it and answer the following questions. Freshwater, algae, fishes, birds. They have given the one food chain. Which organisms are distributed more due to biomagnification and why? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಂತ, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಬಯೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಯೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ trophical levels means we know that the first trophical level they have given fresh water. First one fresh water, then it has come down to algae, means it is eaten by the algae. Okay, algae, these algae are eaten by the fishes. Then these fishes are eaten by birds. When we add any chemical to this trophical level, so I have written in a downward direction. So when we added the chemical to this trophical level, it will be eaten by the algae. So the chemicals will go more in the algae. These algae are eaten by the fishes. So the chemicals which are more here, again they will be entering into the fishes. And next one, birds. In the birds it will be more. So biomagnification takes place more in this. Here it is more. Okay, are you getting my point? If yes, if it is visible, give a message to me. ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Ali, you can send the message. Write your name and send the message. Okay, Harish. So Harish is there. I will tell you the okay, I will send the question paper. I don't know who is Veeresh Allapur, but I will send a question paper. But this is the question, it is not a kind of question paper, it is a previous year question paper. We have sorted a number of questions year wise, so that I will send you. So okay, Harish, you understood? Okay, next one. So the next question they have asked here. In this, the ecosystem will be destroyed gradually due to biomagnification. Why? Musaddika, okay, very good, Musaddika. So because of the biomagnification, here the biomagnification, it is taking more, so the birds will die. And because if the birds are not there, the fishes, they will increase, so the algae will decreases. As the number of fishes increases, the number of algae decreases, so it will be destroyed food chain. And also we know that the biomagnification is the process of accumulation of the non degradable chemicals in the various trophical levels. ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲು, ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲು, ಇದೊಂದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. Okay, next one. Next, they will ask you to find or to construct a food chain. At that time, you have to write the plants. If they ask you to write the food chain, construct a food chain, at that time, you have to write plants. Then the plants are eaten by the rabbit. Okay, the rabbits are eaten by snakes. The snakes are eaten by eagle. So this is the first trophical level. This is the first trophical level. And next, this is the second trophical level. And this is third trophical level. Next one, Bibi Amina, okay. Sana, okay. So this is the fourth trophical level. And we know that what is trophical level. If they ask you what is trophical level, at that time you have to answer the question. Where does this trophical level answer is present means at that time you have to go for the page number 1 or 3. Page number 1 or 3. In this, each step or the level of the food chain means each step means which one? Lakshmi Haryad, okay. Each step, this is one step, this is one step, this is one step, and this is one step. These are the one steps. Here, these are called as trophical levels in the food chain. This is the food chain. Okay, in the food chain, the different steps are called as trophical levels that you have to write. Okay, and next one. This is one normal food chain. If they ask you to write a forest food chain, at that time you have to write grass. Forest means there will be wild animals will be present. So at that time you have to write the grass. Grass is eaten by the deer. Deer is eaten by lion. Okay, like that you have to write. Next one. What is 1% law? They will ask you. What is before this we will go for the aquatic one. Write one aquatic food chain. They will ask you. At that time, what you have to write? You have to write the freshwater, algae, fishes, and next one, birds. You can write like this only. This is the aquatic. Andre aquatic ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Okay, and next one, they will ask you to write the first 1% law. Okay. What is 1% law? What is 1% law? It means the green plants always they will absorb 1% of the light energy from the sunlight, and they will convert it into the food. Means we know that food chain and the food pyramid will be like this. These are the plants. The first trophical levels will be. These are the plants, first trophical level. Okay, this will be broader always. ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೇಮನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ, so that I can understand who are there present. Next one, this is the first trophical level. So in the first trophical level, all the animals or the organisms which are present, all are plants. Means those are called as producers. These producers, they will produce the food. To produce the food, they will absorb the sunlight. How much percent of sunlight is absorbed? There only 1% of the sunlight is absorbing. This is the sun. Only 1% of sunlight. Gagan Hutgi, okay. So here, this is only 1% of energy is absorbing. And what remains in this chapter only, they will ask you to write the 10% law. What is 10% law? So this is 10% law. What is 10% law? Here all the green plant, they will, here the green plant, they will prepare their own food. They prepare own food. Okay. All these are eaten by the herbivorous. From here to here means from first trophical level to second trophical level, the energy always transfer from this trophical level to this trophical level. The energy, I will repeat, this is the first trophical level. Here all the organisms are plants. Plants prepare their own food. They will prepare their own food with the help of the sun. From the sun, it will take only 1% of energy. From the sun, it will take only 1% of energy, and that energy is converted into food. And this food, it will eaten by the herbivores. These are the herbivores. Here, these herbivores are the second trophical level. They are present in the second trophical level. Okay. So these are getting energy by this. Means from the plant they are getting energy. Okay. And then energy will not come reverse. Means from the herbivores to the plant, energy will not come. Energy, it will go from here to here. Means from first trophical level to second trophical level. So here the energy is increasing, it is going, but the energy is decreasing. The energy, it is going from here to here, from here to here. Means, I will tell you here, the plants are preparing their own food and that energy is coming to the rabbit. A rabbit will get energy from the plant. But how much percent of energy is coming here? Only 10%. Why only 10%? Because the great deal of energy is lost. Great deal means huge amount of energy is losing. Great energy loss. Okay, here that energy is lost. Why it is losing? Because of the because of the body heat. Because body is, what it is doing? It is doing some activities like digestion and all. Okay. Great energy is losing by the heat because body is doing some work. Which type of body is doing work? Here the body is digestion taking place. It is moving from one place to another place. At rest also it is doing work because our heart works like that only. All the herbivores, they will be getting energy by the first trophical levels. That is to only 10% of energy is coming. Who is coming new? Just text your name so that I can understand who all are saying. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಈಗ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ okay. Next one, from this we can say that only 1% of energy is by the sun, 10% of energy is passing from one trophical level to another trophical level. Okay, so this is one point. 1% of energy is coming from the sun and the 10% of energy is transferring from one trophical level to another trophical level. Okay, so while doing this, only 10% of energy is going from here to here to here, here to here, here to here. It means, assume ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5000 ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಜೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. 5000 ಆಫ್ ಜೂಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಹಿಯರ್? ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 10% ಅಂದರೆ it is 500. From here to here it will come only 50. From here to here it is 5. From this, yes, very good Sana and one, Sana 5. Okay, good. So from here to here it is coming less, from here to here it is coming less, from here to here it is coming less, means if one more is there, assume ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು animal ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, it will get only 0.5 energy. It means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟದ 5000 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟದ 0.5 ಅದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ from here to here trophical levels ಅಲ್ಲಿ energy is decreasing. It is continuously, it is decreasing. When it start decreasing, the last animal which is present here, it will not get any energy. That is why only how many steps are present? Only 3 to 4 trophical levels are present. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. If 5 is there, then it will reach only less amount, because we know that the great energy is losing by heat, and the energy going, it is decreasing. That's why we are having only 3 or 4 trophical levels in the food chain. I hope you are understanding. Okay. Next one. Next we'll go to the food web. We know that the food web. So for that I will take this one. So this will be easy. If I start drawing, it will take more time. So here all the trophical levels which are there in the first trophical level, all are plants. From plants, here we can see that these plants, they are eaten by birds, frogs, snakes and eagle. And one more food chain is there, another food chain is there, another food chain is there. Okay, so many numbers of food chains are present. But see here, the food chains are internally linked. So here the rat is there, the rat is eaten by some animals. Here the same rat is eaten by the snake. It means the link between the food chain is called as food web. It is called as food web. The food chains internally linked and they form a network-like structure. So they are called as food web. Food web ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ ವೆಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ ವೆಬ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು. ಬಲೆ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೀತಿ. So this will be the spider web. Web means here food web. Food web means because of the food, animals are forming the food chain. Each food chain is internally linked and forms a web-like structure or network structure. So it is called as food web. Understand? Next one. If we start speaking about the energy, what is energy? How the energy flow in the ecosystem, or how the energy flow in the this one. What you call how does the energy flow in the food chain? Means the food chain, we know that trophical levels are present. The first trophical level, second trophical level, third trophical level. We know that only 3 to 4 are there. Rarely it is having the fifth one. Okay, only up to 4 will be there. Means the energy, it will flow one trophical level to another trophical unidirectionally. ಯುನಿಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫ್ಲೋ. ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಇಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ unidirectionally. Unidirectionally. Okay, because we know that autotrophs, here the autotrophs are present. Andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ plants adavalla, ee plants, they will not get energy back to the sun. We will take the energy from the sun, but we will not get the energy back to the sun. The plants, they will not give energy to the sun. They will take the energy from the sun. How much percent of energy they will take? They will take only take. So the autotrophs, they will not give the energy back to the sun. It will not be revert ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಿವರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ರಿವರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ unidirectional. And the second one, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಟು ದ ಈಚ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲಿಂದ ಈ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂನಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್, ಡಿಮಿನಿಷ್ಡ್. Okay, what is the second point? Second point, energy diminished. Energy diminished ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Energy diminished ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Energy diminished means it is decreasing, going less from one trophical level to another trophical level. Why? Again, the great energy lose by the body heat. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದ. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿರುಗಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಬಯೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಆಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದರೊಳಗಿನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಬಯೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಯೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್? Bio means biologically, it is magnified means magnified. What is magnification? What is magnified? ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. What is magnified ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಿಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, we'll see later. Okay, biomagnification means the chemicals, they are going increasing. These are plants, first trophical level. Again, these are herbivores, second trophical level. These are carnivorous, these are big carnivorous. Here big carnivorous are present. Means the chemical, when it added in the food chain, it goes on increasing in the trophical levels. That is called as biomagnification. It is goes on increasing, so it is called as biomagnification. Okay, so next one, illೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡುವ. Observe the food chain and grasshopper, frog, snake and eagle. Okay, the energy available in the first trophical level is 5000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5000 energy ada. So what will be the snake will get? Snake ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. How much it will get? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5000 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 500 ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 50 ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 5. So the answer is 5. ಆಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕೇಳಿರೋಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ 2020 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 3 to 4 steps. Why? They will take, okay, very good. Okay, so here the food chain is only having, it is at 3 or 4 steps, because the energy goes on decreasing or it is diminished because of the body heat. So the last food chain, it will not get the energy, sufficient energy for the body. So it is having only 3 to 4 steps. Decomposers play very important role in the ecosystem. Means ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಸ್? ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿವಿಷನ್ನಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಸ್? ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಡೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಕೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಡೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಕೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಹಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕು ಬಿದ್ದದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಕೇಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಲಿಸಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಹಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿದ್ದರೂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸತ್ರೂ ಅದು ಕೊಳೆಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಸ್ ಇದ್ರಷ್ಟು ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಸ್, ಅದು ಕೊಳ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ದ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ನಷ್ಟ ಏನೀಗ ಬಂದು ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ದ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಓಝೋನ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. Protecting the ozone layer is necessary. Why? Because we know that ozone layer it is a natural layer that is present in the atmosphere, and that is protect the humans, from the ultraviolet rays. Means the earth, so this is the earth. Okay, this is the earth, and here we will be having our ozone layer, and ozone layer, the molecular formula is O3. O3 is the molecular formula. This is O3. Okay, this is earth. What is it? This is called as earth. And this earth is protected by the sun by, okay, this is sun. This is protected by the earth by the ozone layer. How it will protect? Why it will protect? From whom it will protect? It will protect by UV rays. Ultraviolet rays which are coming from the sun, they are not coming to the atmosphere because of the O3. So it is protecting. It protects the human beings from the ultraviolet rays. That's why what we have to do, we have to protect the ozone layer. What is ozone layer? Ozone layer is, ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. Ozone layer is a layer that is surrounding that covers the earth. What is the function of the ozone layer? It will protect the earth by the ultraviolet rays. Okay, what is the molecular formula of the ozone layer? O3. 3 atoms of oxygen. What it is called as? 3 atoms of oxygen. 3 atoms of oxygen is called as ozone. 3 atoms of oxygen is called as ozone. So it is protecting by the UV rays. So what is happening to the ozone layer? Ozone layer is depleting. It is depleting. Why it is depleting? It is depleting because of the CFC. C means chlorofluorocarbon. This is called as chloro. This is called as, F means fluorocarbon. Because of this, it is depleting. I repeat, ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಈಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದ್ರಿ. ಸವಿತಾ ಈಗ ಬಂದ್ಲು. Earth is having the ozone layer. This ozone layer, it protects the earth from the sun because sun is having ultraviolet rays. These ultraviolet rays are coming to the earth. To avoid that, ozone layer is present. What is ozone? Ozone is the 3 atoms of oxygen. Now ozone is depleting. Why it is depleting? It is depleting. Strike bandi. Very good. So why it is depleting? It is depleting because of the CFC. What is CFC? CFC is chlorofluorocarbon. It is called as chlorofluorocarbon. Where does this chlorofluorocarbon is present? It is present in the fridge. And it is present in the aerosols. And also it is present in the perfume. And it is present in the AC, air condition. It is present in the air condition. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Ozone layer is depleting. Ozone layer, it is depleting by the CFC. Multiple choice question ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Atmospheric layer absorbs ultraviolet radiations coming from the sunlight. Okay, that is made up of this molecule. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾವೈಲೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾರ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as O3. If they ask you to answer the layer, means then it is called as ozone layer. From which chemical the ozone layer is depleting? One more question, that is chlorofluorocarbon. Where does the chlorofluorocarbon is present? It is present in the fridge, aerosols, perfumes and AC, air condition. Yes, to protect it from the CFCs. Understood? Next one. Next one, so the function of the O3, we know that to protect the earth from this ultraviolet rays. To protect the earth from the ultraviolet rays, because ultraviolet rays ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವು earth ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳಬಾರ್ದು, because we are present there and we will get the skin cancer ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಓಝೋನ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಅದ. ಓಝೋನ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ. ವೈ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಟ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫ್ಲೋರೋಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು? ಫ್ರಿಜ್ನಾಗ, ಏರೋಸೋಲ್, ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್, AC, ಏರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಅಂದಾಗ, what is the role of the ozone? It is protect the earth from the ultraviolet rays. Why we should protect the ozone layer? One reason, only one reason. In reason adu? To protect earth from UV rays. Hope you understand this one. Okay, next one and the last one, that is called as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Okay, biodegradable ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. biodegradable. Okay, ನಾನ್ biodegradable ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? biodegradable, and next one non-bio. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ತಂದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್. biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means these are decomposes by bacteria, microorganism. Decomposes by bacteria or microorganism. And what about this? These are not decomposes by bacteria. So here these are, they will persist in the environment. Biodegradable substances, they will be short term, means they will present in the environment very short term. Andre for example, waste, kitchen waste example. This kitchen waste, it will persist in the environment short time. But whereas here this is chemical, DDT example, DDT. This is present in the environment long term. This is present in the environment long term, but this is short term. Okay, so like this you have to write. Biodegradable substances, they cause the disease because ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ನಾನು ಡೈಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಸ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ವೇಸ್ಟು, ಕಿಚನ್ ವೇಸ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಗಿತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಡಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾಸ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ this one decreasing. Okay, substances that are broken down by the microbial actions are called as biodegradable substances. Okay, this also you can write. The substances that are not broken is called as non-biodegradable. Easy answer baribodu ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so here these biodegradable, they cause a disease because they will increase the bacterial growth, whereas here, for example, you take this DDT or the plastic, they will be persist in the environment long term, but they will not cause, they will harm for the environment long term. Whereas here, short term, they will cause the diseases, but after some time it will not be there because they will give all the minerals or whatever present, they will give it to the soil. Okay, so this completed the this chapter. And next one, human and the colorful world. So 40 minutes ಆಯಿತು. ಹೋಪ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಾ? ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದಿತ್ತಾ? ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೈನ್, ಬಡೀಗರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ರೈನಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್. So we'll take the protractor. Wait for a minute. So we'll take a protractor. I don't have protractor. One didn't ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ. So on that day I was telling you about this one. What is this? This is called as the magnet. So and also I'm having the small magnet here. So here you can't see that magnet. So this is one of the magnet. Light. Where is the light? 1 second. 1 minute. ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. So you can see that this is one compass. Okay, so we'll see the magic now. I have told you the magnetic field lines, they will see. I am taking this one. Okay, see, this is also, if I change ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ direction, if I start changing the direction, see, okay, see, if I change this direction also changes, means here it is having the magnetic field line. Because of the magnetic field lines, the compass needle deflect. See, next one. ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ. ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ. ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ. eraser. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿರಿ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ paper or the book. Okay, next one. Next one, this is the pituitary gland, this is pons. This is pituitary gland, this is pons, and this is medulla. Draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ labeling ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here next one more layer. So finishing for this one. Okay, next one here ಒಳಗಡೆ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ ನಾವು, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ this is the mid brain. So we have to draw a kite-like structure here. Next one. So the finishing. ಇದಿಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 1.5 inches ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. Okay, next one. So here the remaining ಒಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಕು. With this we completed. So the one more outline we want. So draw like this. Okay, continue from here. So here the other portion, other siding, this is. Okay, if you want, you do like this, the shading. Okay, take the shading. Okay, if you are having a piece of paper like this, if you are having, just to make it like this. Okay, just to wrap it. Okay, now the parts. So this is called as one part. Okay, and this is one part, and this is one part, this is one part, and this is one part that you have to label and practice. This is the big brain, means this is the cerebrum, and this is called as cerebellum. This is midbrain, this is medulla, this is pons. Okay, cerebrum, medulla and the pons, these are called as hindbrain. Hindbrain is the hindin brain anta heli. Okay, and when you draw this diagram, you have to label the parts. Cerebrum. So write the function here only. Functions ile bari ನೀವು practice ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next one more, label the parts and write the function here only. If you start writing the function as well as the part, it will be very easy. In the exam, they may ask you to write the label, or they will ask you, instead of this, they will ask you to the parts and write the function. Any kind they will ask you. Okay. So tomorrow I will ask you the again 3 eye defects in the class. Eye defect perfect ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕೀಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ. One is myopia, another one is hypermetropia, next one presbyopia, one more that is called as cataract. ಈ 4ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. They will ask you any one of these. ಮುಸದ್ದಿಕಾ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯಿತು? If you are there, just text a message. Okay. So from tomorrow I will ask you these questions. ನಾಳೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡೈಲಿ 1 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಾಳೆ ಯಾವ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಒಂದು ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೋರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂದರೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಯು ದ ಪಿಕ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿರಿ 6 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. 1 ಅವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಕತ್ತ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಂತಂದ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ರೀಲ್ಸು ಅದು ಇದು ನೋಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋಣಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್. ಸೇ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೀವ್. Oh. This one.